Hi, welcome to Benchdogs. Today I'm going to demonstrate our fence systems and the different types of fences that you can purchase from our website. We have the version 2.1, the Systainer kit and the 1200 system. So now I've shown you all the different types of fences that we have available on our website. I'm going to show you how we put it together. So with the flag start, what you'll receive is either a thumb screw or a lever, depending on what option you chose. You will also receive 2 washers, a nylock nut, a T-nut, the flag and the body of the flag. So what we need to do is put the first washer on, followed by the flag stop, then another washer, and then the nylock nut. Tighten it up until you feel resistance, and using a 10mm socket or spanner, just tighten it up until you get the desired resistance that you require. So here, it's just so I got that resistance that when I'm pushing it up and down, it doesn't fall back into place. So now I'm going to put the flag stop onto the fence system, like so. Using the T-nut, slide that into the track, place the flag in position, and either using the thumb screw or the lever, put it in and tighten it. And to move it to position, just loosen it and then slide it to the desired measurement that you require and tighten up again. So with the fence dogs, you have 2 different options. You have a standard fence dog and you have the quad fence dog. So install the fence dogs. What you need to do is remove the T-nut, and on the top slot slide the T-nut in, align the fence dog with the T-nut, and then tighten it up, leaving it loose so you can move it to the desired location when placing it in the hole. Dog, same method, remove the T-nut, but what you're going to do with this one is you're actually going to place it in the hole first. And you're going to tighten it up to the desired tightness that you need it. Okay. Slide in the T-nut and then line this up like so. So in the pack you also receive 2 M6 by 25 hex bolts. This is used for if you require your fence to be on the lower side like this. So to set this up, slide in the T-nut, line that with your hole, and using a hex key, tighten this up here. So to attach the flag stop in this position, it's the same principle as the other way as previously shown, by simply just sliding your T-nut into the track, and with your flag stop round the other way, attach it here, and then your flag will then work on the lower position. Taking one of the fences, and this one I'm going to use the version 2.1. I'm going to set up the 2 fence dogs. Okay. So I'm going to release the thumb screws and slide in the T-nuts to roughly where you think you're going to put them in your MFT table. I'm going to place the fence dogs on top, like so, and then insert the thumb screw, keeping it all nice and loose. So now I've got them inserted, and I'm just simply going to place them in the holes, like so. Move the fence to where you roughly want the fence system to be, and tighten up the thumb screws. That now is in place. you can easily remove it and place it back into the holes where you set them up. So to calibrate our fence system, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one set of holes back, and using our magnetic tool here, I'm just going to remove a couple of sets of our MFT plugs. And using our quad dogs as a guide for our track. Now I've placed it in our quad dogs, I can now loosen this up to allow it to move freely, and using a track, place that up against it, and then simply just slide the track to the beginning of the cut line, like so. And then while holding the fence down in position, just simply lock it in place. And that's now the fence calibrated to your track. Now, by using your flag stop, set the measurement to a known length of, like, say 320, and then using a ruler, possibly one of ours, you can then double check the measurement at 320. So if you've opted for the 1200 system, this comes with a meter fence as well as an under-rail support kit. The under-rail support kit comes with a 200mm fence, an Allen key, a joining bar and a support dog. This is how we recommend you put it together. So having the fence upside down so your bottom slot is on the top, ensure that your grub screws are out and you can slide this in. Put it in about halfway and then tighten this up. The grub screw will automatically center with the slot on the inside of the track. Once that's all nice and tight, put the fence with the measures marked down and then attach the narrow cut system. And then with this all completely flat on the bottom, tighten up the grub screw. Just ensure that the under rail support kit is completely level with your face. So now I've attached the fence dogs, I'm going to put this into the two holes that I want to have the fence system attached to. Tighten them up, and using the support dog, this gear goes in and then gives you a complete support for your under rail support. So with the fence that comes with the Systainer set, we have 3 pieces of 320, and to put these together, you put them all together in a row, and then using the joiner bars, connect them all up like so. We would recommend the joiners be in the front slot, making sure they're centralised, push down on the face and then tighten like so. And then the same for the other part of the fence. So there you have it, that's the demonstration of our fence systems. As mentioned earlier in the video, you can find them on our website displayed here, and you can find links in our description of the video.